Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add shapes and annotations to your videos inside of Clipchamp. So to get started, what we want to be using is the content library feature. So let's go ahead and go over there. And as you can see, I already have a few results ready, but basically all you have to do is make sure you have your uh, filters set to visuals, and then you can choose something specific like annotations, shapes, stickers, or whatever. So one thing that I find is pretty useful are circles and ovals as well as arrows. So let's say, for example, we scroll down, we head on over to annotation, and let's look for hand drawn stuff. Watercolor shapes, stars, birds, circles, ovals, straight round, speech bubbles. That's na yan. And shapes. So one thing that I like to use are underneath shapes. Make sure you go to hand drawn, and there are plenty of stuff to choose from. So let's say, for example, you'd like to add a pointer to the video. As you can see, you can also edit and rotate this shape. So let's say you want it to point to something of interest. Let's change the color to something classic like red. And let's go ahead and give it an outline by going here to the right hand side and going to the shape tab. So let's give it an outline. Then let's go with a classic black outline. And then if you want to animate this, you can also add an effect. One thing that is pretty useful is the pulse effect, for example. So let's go ahead and add that. And now if we play the video, as you can see, it pulses in and out a little bit. So pretty useful if you want to emphasize something in your video, and we can fade it in and fade it out to make it look a lot neater. So for example, there we go. And that's how it looks like. So you not only are able to add shapes and annotations, you can also very easily and very quickly animate them using Clipchamp, which is really, really great. So feel free to experiment with other things like maybe speech bubbles or text boxes and combine it with effects. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.